Welcome to Maths Pro. Today we are looking at dividing fractions. So here we have 5/8 divided by 2/4. When we divide fractions, we use the method KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. First, we keep the first fraction the same, so we keep 5/8. Next, we change the divide sign into a multiply sign. Finally, we flip the second fraction. 2/4 becomes 4/2. This gives us a new calculation, 5/8 multiplied by 4/2. Now we multiply the numerators and the denominators. 5 times 4 equals 20, and 8 times 2 equals 16. So we get 20/16.